Interactive Whiteboards by Kayla and Eric. Introduction. The interactive whiteboard is a technological development with a large interactive flat display used for teleconference and education purposes. Xerox PARC developed its first interactive whiteboard in 1990. Smart Technologies developed for the first interactive whiteboard in 1991. The interactive whiteboard is a technological development with a large interactive flat display used for teleconference and education purposes. A lot of us can remember this as a smart board when we were in school. Xerox PARC developed the first interactive whiteboard in 1990. Interactive whiteboards are used in the workplace or classroom since they have access anytime, anywhere to digital knowledge and services. Interactive whiteboards access the internet. They can also be used as a computer or such in newer classrooms. Interactive whiteboards are used in the workplace to visualize complex concepts for our employees. For example, how to use new technological innovations. So as you can see in this video, he's using one as well in a meeting. The advantages of an interactive whiteboard are promoting student engagement. They can go up and touch it if they need to, allowing connectivity to the internet, making the teaching and learning process more enjoyable, making the display of information convenient and easy to review of previous information. So if kids need to, they can walk up to the board and it can be hand-to-eye contact. The disadvantages are time consumption when preparing design lessons and leading to eye problems. This has you stare at an electronic device a lot longer than you would need to usually. They require knowledge of computer literacy to manage. Short students have a limitation of operating the board, and there is an initial high cost of purchasing and installing these whiteboards in classrooms. With development and innovation and digitalization, interactive whiteboards are projected to be used in various fields worldwide, such as healthcare, corporate, education, and retail, and these are the future trends of technology. In conclusion, I would fall under the early majority category of adopting technological innovation. This is because technology has provided efficiency, hence am set to follow the early adopters to apply the innovation. I have learned that technology can be accessed remotely and is acceptable in diverse fields, and I'll apply this diverse information during trainings and my classroom. These are my references, and then last page is the responsibilities. Thank you.